Welcome back guys sa aking Math YouTube channel at dito nga ay magtatalakay na naman tayo ng isang math topic na kapakipakinabang hindi lamang sa mga estudyante kundi para sa ating lahat. Sa buong buhay natin, palagi kailangan natin ang pera. Tama? Madalas, may mga gusto tayong mabili subalit kulang ang ating pera. Marami tayong mga pangarap subalit kulang ang ating kakayahan upang ito ay maisakatuparan. May mga mahalaga at daglian tayong mga pangailangan, subalit hindi kaagad ito natutugunan. Ang laging problema, madalas ay kulang tayo sa pera. Pero tuloy lang ang buhay dahil may mga loans pa naman na pwedeng tumupad sa ating mga pangangailangan at mga pangarap. At sa video ngang ito guys ay tatalakayin ko ang tungkol sa business at consumer loans. At kung paano ka magkakapera sa oras na kailangan mo na ito. Pag-uusapan din kung paano mo ito babayaran at kung komportable ka ba sa interest o tubo. Muli sa video ito ay magtatalakay tayo ng ilang problems involving business and consumer loans. At bago tayo magpatuloy, i-define muna natin ang ilang mga terms na magpapagaan sa video lessons na ito. Unahin natin ay business loan. It is a money lent especially for business purpose. It may be used to start a business or to have a business expansion. Example number 1. Miss Kat plans to open a pastry shop. She wants to borrow money from Bank ABC to purchase baking tools and equipment. Business loan siya kasi ang purpose ng pag-loan ay to open a business and to purchase tools to start the business. Number 2 example, Mr. Eddie is a certified palay seed dealer. He is planning to expand his business by selling more agricultural products. He wants to borrow money from JKL Bank for his business. Again, business loan siya kasi ang purpose nga is business expansion. Next term natin is consumer loan. It is a money lent to an individual for personal or family purpose. Ang ating unang example is Mr. Von and his family are planning to spend their vacation in a farm resort. His savings is not enough, so he plans to borrow money from DEF Bank. Consumer loan siya kasi ang purpose nga ng pag-utang ay for the family purpose. Next example, after 15 years of staying in her acquired condominium unit, Miss Melody plans to renovate her place. She wants to borrow money from HGI Bank to finance the cost of upgrading her unit. Yung pag-upgrade ng condominium unit ay hindi naman siya business, kaya maliwanag na siya ay consumer loan. Third example, Miss She is planning to pursue her PhD studies after finishing her master's degree in physical education. She wants to borrow money from an M&O bank to pay her tuition fees. To pursue PhD degree is a personal purpose, so maliwanag na siya ay consumer loan. Sana naman ay maliwanag na sa inyo ang pagkakaiba ng dalawa. Kung gagamitin sa business, business loan at kung personal or family purpose naman, ito ay consumer loan. Next term tayo, sa mga loans minsan naghahanap ng collateral. Ano ba ang collateral? It is an asset used to secure the loan. It may be a real estate or other investment. Itong collateral ang maniniguro na ang nangutang ay siguradong magbabayad. Dahil kapag hindi siya nagbayad, yung kanyang collateral ay mapuporfeit o hindi na mababalik pa sa kanya. Ang loan din ay may tinatawag na palugit o hangganan o ito ay tinatawag na term of loan. It is the time to pay the entire loan. Ang nangyayari kapag nag-excess ka sa term of loan ay nagkakaroon pa ito ng dagdag na interest at penalty, lalong lumalaki ang iyong babayaran. Next term, amortization method. Method of paying a loan, principal and interest on installment basis, usually of equal amounts at regular interval. Mortgage, a loan secured by a collateral that the borrower is obliged to pay at the specified terms. Chattel mortgage, a mortgage on a movable property. Outstanding balance, any remaining date at a specified time. Once again, ang mga terms na yan, kailangan ay alam natin upang sa ating pag-utang ay hindi tayo naluloko. Sabi nga, iba ang may alam. Magtalakay na tayo ng ilang problems involving business and consumer loans. Number 1, Jerry borrowed 600,000 pesos for the expansion of his business. The effective rate of interest is 7.5%. The loan is to be repaid in full after 2.5 years. How much is to be paid after 2.5 years? Para sa ating given, 600,000 is the principal, 7.5 or 0.075 is the annual rate, 2.5 is the term of loan, and what is asked? Amount to be paid. For the solution, the amount to be paid is the future value, and the formula is F equals P quantity 1 plus J raised to the N. Substitute na tayo ng value sa formula. Principal is 600,000, J is 0.075, N is 2.5. I-add natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, 1 plus 0.075 is 1.075. Simplify natin ang exponent gamit ang scientific calculator. 1.075 raised to the 2.5 equal to 1.19817751. I-multiply natin yung 600 at saka yung nasa parenthesis, ang sagot is 718,906.51 centavos. Therefore, the amount to be paid after 2.5 years is 718,906 pesos and 51 centavos. Next problem tayo. To purchase a car, John borrowed 1 million pesos. If his monthly payment is 26,758 pesos on a 5-year mortgage, what is the total amount of interest? Para sa ating given, 1 million pesos is the mortgage amount, 26,758 pesos the regular monthly payment, 5 times 12 is the total number of payments, and what is asked? Total amount of interest. Para mahanap nga natin ang total interest, kunin muna natin kung magkano ang binayad lahat sa loob ng 5 taon at i-minus natin ito sa principal na 1 million. Solve na nga natin ang step 1, hanapin na natin ang total amount for 5 years. So, i-multiply natin yung monthly regular payment na 26,758 pesos times 5 times 12. Kapag minultiply yung 5 and 12, 60 ang total ng payments times 26,758, meron tayong total amount paid for 5 years na 1,605,480 pesos. Sa ating next step ay pwede na nating hanapin ang total interest for 5 years. Ang formula, total amount paid minus mortgage amount. Ang total amount paid is 1,605,480 pesos. Ang mortgage amount naman is 1 million pesos. Kapag sinubtract natin, ang magiging sagot ay 605,480 pesos. Therefore, the total amount of interest after 5-year mortgage is 605,480 pesos. Problem number 3. If the house is sold for 3,500,000 pesos and the bank requires 30% down payment, what is the amount of mortgage? Identify na natin ulit ang mga given. 3,500,000 pesos is the cash price of the house. 30% or 0.30 the down payment rate. Ano ang hinahanap? The amount of mortgage. At para makuha nga natin ang amount of mortgage, kailangan alamin muna natin ang down payment at i-minus natin ito sa cash price na 3,500,000. I-solve na natin ang down payment. Ang formula is down payment rate times the cash price. Ang down payment rate is 0.030. Ang cash price ay 3,500,000. Kapag pinagmultiply natin yung dalawa, ang sagot ay 1,050,000 pesos. At yun na nga ang ating down payment. Ngayon at alam na natin ang down payment, pwede nating makuha ang amount of loan or mortgage. Ang formula, cash price minus down payment. Ang cash price ay 3,500,000 pesos. Ang down payment ay 1,050,000 pesos. Pag pinag-subtract ang dalawa, ang result ay 2,450,000. Therefore, the mortgage amount of the house is 2,450,000 pesos. More problems, more learning, kaya tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Problem number 4, Johnny apply for a car loan after paying the down payment of 120,000. The loan amounting to 750,000 with an interest rate of 6% compounded monthly is to be paid in 5 years. How much is the monthly payment? Again, let us enumerate the given and all the informations needed on the formula later. 120,000 equals the down payment. 750,000 pesos is equal to the principal or the mortgage amount. 6% or 0.06 is the I to the 12 or the annual interest rate. I to the 12 over M equals 0.06 over 12 equals 0.05 equals J, the interest per period. And also 5 times 12 equals 60 equals N. This is the total number of payment. And what is asked is the R or the regular monthly payment. To find the regular monthly payment, we will use the formula for R, which is equal to P all over 1 minus quantity 1 plus J raised to the negative N over J. Substitution tayo. P is 750,000, J equals 0.05, and N equals 60. Unahin natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Add natin 1 plus 0.05 equals 1.005. I-simplify natin ang exponent. 1.005 quantity negative 60. Ang sagot is 0.7413722. Next, isubtract natin ang 1 minus 0.7413722. Ang result is 0.2586278. Then, isimplify natin yung denominator. I-divide natin yung 0.2586278 divided by 0.05. Ang sagot is 51.72556. I-divide natin ulit ang 750,000 divided by 51.72556. Ang sagot nga natin is 14,499.60. For the monthly mortgage payment or amortization is 14,499 pesos and 60 centavos. Next problem natin is with regards to outstanding balance. Recall that the outstanding balance of a loan is the amount of the loan at this time or at present. One method to compute the outstanding balance is to get the present value of all the remaining payments. This method is called the prospective method. Sa atin pong time diagram or perspective, yung itaas na bahagi ay ang ating regular or equal payments for every period. At yun namang baba ay ang K o yung bilang ng ating payments. At para makuha nga natin yung outstanding balance na B sub K, kailangan i-minus natin yung total period sa periods na naibayad natin. At ito na nga yung N minus K. So, the outstanding balance is the value of the remaining N minus K payments immediately after the last payment. Problem number 5. Mr. Tan borrowed money from a bank that offers interest rate of 10% compounded monthly. His amortization for 5 years is 12,122 pesos and 55 centavos. How much is the outstanding balance after 18th payment? Once again, enumerate natin ang given. 12,122 pesos and 55 centavos is the regular payment. 10% or 0.10 is the annual interest rate. 0.083 is the interest per period. Number of payments paid or K is 18. 5 times 12 equals 60. The total number of payments. 60 minus 18 equals 42 is the number of remaining payments or N minus K. Ang hinahanap is the present value of 42 payments or the outstanding balance. To solve for the outstanding balance, we will use the formula B sub k equals R open bracket 1 minus quantity 1 plus j raised to the negative quantity n minus k all over j close bracket. To substitute the values on the formula, R equals 12,122 pesos and 55 centavos, J is 0.0083, and N minus K is 60 minus 80, which is equal to 42. I-add natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, ang sum is 1.0083. Simplify natin ang numerator gamit ang scientific calculator. Ang sagot natin ay 0.29330865. At i-divide natin yung sagot sa kanyang denominator na 0.083. Ang sagot ay 35.33839157. At i-multiply natin ito sa regular payment na 12,122 pesos and 55 centavos. Ang sagot natin ay 428,391 and 42 centavos. Therefore, the outstanding balance we are solving on this problem is 428,391 pesos and 42 centavos. For our last problem in this video, Mr. and Mrs. Santos purchased a house and lot worth 4 million pesos. They paid a down payment of 1 million pesos. They plan to amortize the loan of 3 million pesos by paying monthly for 15 years. The interest rate is 12% convertible monthly. Letter A, how much is the monthly payment? And letter B, how much is the total interest paid? The given on the problem, 4 million pesos is the amount of the house. 1 million pesos is the down payment. 3 million pesos is the mortgage amount or the principal. 12% or 0.12 is the annual interest rate. 0.01 is the J or interest per period. 12 times 15 is equal to 180 equals N, the total number of payments. And what is asked on the problem on letter A is the regular payment. To solve for the regular payment, we will use the same formula we use on the past example or problem. To substitute the value on the formula, P is equal to 3 million, J is equal to 0.01, and N equals 180. I-simplify na natin ang nasa loob ng parenthesis, 1.01 ang sagot. Further simplify sa kanyang exponent na negative 180 gamit ang scientific calculator. Meron tayong 0.16678336. I-subtract natin yung 1 minus 0.16678336. Ang sagot ay 0.83321664. I-divide natin sa kanyang denominator na 0.01. Ang sagot ay 83.321664. I-divide na natin yung 3 million sa 83.321664. Ang R natin ay 36,005 pesos and 17 centavos. Therefore, the monthly payment or amortization is 36,005 pesos and 17 centavos. Proceed na tayo sa letter B. Ang informations needed natin ay 3 million, the principal or the mortgage amount, 36,005 pesos and 17 centavos is the regular payment, 180 the total number of payments. At ang pinapahanap sa atin is the total interest paid. At para nga ma-determine natin ang total interest paid, una, isolve muna natin ang total payments. 180 times regular payment na 36,005 pesos and 17 centavos equals 6,480,930 pesos and 60 centavos. At yan nga ang ating total payments. Ngayon at alam na natin ang ating total payments for 15 years, ibawas natin yung ating original na utang na 3 million at ang matitira doon ay ang total interest na binayad mo sa 15 years. At ang total payments nga natin ay 6,480,930 pesos and 60 centavos minus the principal 3 million. Ang sagot ay 3,480,930 pesos and 60 centavos. Yun yung ating amount interest paid sa loob ng 15 years. O ano, mukhang nagulat ka yata kasi mas malaki pa ang interest sa principal. Nangyayari yan guys kapag napakahaba ng term ng ating utang. Muli po, kung natuto kayo at nagustuhan po ninyo ang video na ito, huwag pong kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like na rin ang aking video at mag-comment na rin po kayo. Kung may tanong, gamitin po ang chat box sa baba at sasagutin po natin ito.